again. We're at this old creepy school. It's all boarded up. Hot Rock's already digging. We're waiting on Sam, the Sham, to get here. He's got a new machine. I guess he just got a T2, so he's gonna check that out. So hopefully now he can hang with the big dogs. But hopefully we can get some stuff, but I'll show you where we're at real quick. And there's the creepy old school. That school has been shut down for like 40 years and it's just sat there. And there's Hot Rock doing sidewalk strips. He's putting in work. All right. All right, the Sham showed up. Oh, that's a tongue twister, ain't it? Look at his beautiful new machine. Got himself a T2 with an extra coil. Holy that thing is big.
That's what she said.
He's hitting on the Earth's iron core. Jeez Louise. All right, man. Well, good luck.
Here, I thought I was getting deep, hitting all the sewer pipes.
All right. All right, Hot Rock says he's got the first good find of the day. He doesn't know what it is, and neither do I. It's got some foreign writing on it. It says the same thing on the back, but I don't know. Ring up as a 77, so it's like aluminum or something.
We'll put that in a special case.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Anything, Sam?
Whatever this is.
Ah, it's a little charm, little necklace charm.
Kinda neat.
All right. Cool beans.
Doubt it, but it's metal. It's got round on it.
That T2. Here's the front of the old school we're at. Yep. All right. All right. It's been long, hard going, but finally managed to pull another wheat penny. This one's a 1956. But, you know, I love my wheat pennies, so I'll take it. I'm not finding much, so I'm gonna take some video of the surroundings.
I'm finding a lot of cloud.
There's that guy. We're in the front of the school. The windows are broken out and all that good stuff. Way up at the top. This is 1923. That's pretty cool. Chris is drinking again.
I'm out. We got to go to Quality Dairy.
Yeah. And there's the Sham and the F2. Woo! All right. Out here again today, because yesterday we didn't get anything. It was terrible. But got my first decent signal. It was 8 inches down. You can see where it was setting. It's pretty green. I thought it was gonna be like an Indian, but it's not. It's a 57 Canadian penny. If only it was American, it would at least be a wheat penny. But maybe you can see it. But I'll take it. All right. All right, I just broke this clump open, and this is what I found. A little spill all together. Got a nickel, quarter, another quarter, and a dime. That's pretty cool. I think that's about it. All right, well, I'll take it. All right, I'm out here. Got my first decent relic. I think it's a makeup compact. Let's take a look. Yep, it's broken, but thinking that's, yep, that's what that is. It's even still got the nasty crap inside. Yeah, it was pretty far down there. I mean, the hole's filling with water now, so. But it was in the hole with a big old iron nail and a piece of foil. So, but I'll take it. Cool. All right, well, there we go. Finally got on a wheat penny. There it is. That's a 1957. It's a baby. But you know what? I'll take that, because if that was a dime, you know. All right, let's see what else is out here. All right, I'm going to give you guys a little view of where I'm hunting today. If you've watched any of our previous episodes, down here at the end of this, I don't know, it's almost like a old road, but it never was a road. At the end there is the 1856 school that we've hunted in a couple of episodes. And then we pan this way. That's a high school right there. And then at the other end is the armory that we've hunted several times and in several videos as well. So I'm hitting this little path right in between them. Hopefully we come up with some good stuff. All right, got another weedy. This one's kind of smoked, so I don't know if I can get a date. A 1956 again. All right, cool. All right, fellers. I got another coin spill clad. I think this one's a little bigger. I popped a big coin ball and they all just kind of fell out. I don't even know if that's all. There's a quarter. There's a quarter. Holy crap. There's a quarter. Another quarter. I see one right there. There's a dime. Here's a nickel. I'll have to check the hole again. Nope, I think that's it. So we got a $1.15 coin spill. I like it. All right, guys. Well, I'm out here again. It's cold as all get out. It's freezing. I'm on my way to an old Grange site to meet up with Hot Rock and Sam the Sham, but I stopped off at a little park along a creek on the way, and I'll give you a little glimpse of what we're looking at. It goes all the way up down there. But I'm hunting the bank here, and I got a pretty good signal, and I got a buckle. I have no idea what it says because it's still frozen. That's how cold it is outside. But there's the back. It's pretty hefty. It's got some marks on it and stuff, so hopefully I'll be able to figure it out. It's got some writing too. Looks like a guy on a horse. But that's pretty freaking sweet. I'll take it. All right. Check out the next one. Well, we're out here, but we're not finding anything. Getting skunked. Sam's over there. He's still working. He got a tail fin piece off a old car. I think that's the highlight of our day. We're hunting this out here. It's where the old Grange Hall used to be. but we're not finding a lot. A couple memorials, piece to a cap gun, but I guess we'll keep at it. All right, me and Sam left that old Grange haul and came back to a park closer to home. We haven't found anything in hours, and then finally got a decent signal, and I'll show you what it is. Down here under some trees, I got a bracelet. It's junk, but it's got a little weave design on it. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera or not, but we'll take it. All right. Well, got my first wheat penny for the day. 1956. The back is toasted, but it was only a couple inches down, so hopefully there's more. All right, next haul, got a spoon. All right, eat up. It's junk, but maybe there's a marking on there or something. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. I'll take it. All right. Cool beans.